Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome at Tabarak Academy. This is Amr, a Quran and Tajweed teacher for non-Arabic speakers. Inshallah, in this video we are gonna talk about the difference between the heavy and light letters. We will cover what is the difference between the heavy and light letters, and we will take some examples. If you wanna know, let's start. How can we pronounce the heavy letters? First of all, to pronounce any heavy letter, you should elevate or raise the back of the tongue towards the roof. So let's say some examples. When I say قال, when I say qa, if you look here, you will say the back of my tongue risen to the roof of my mouth. I say qa, and the front of my mouth be a lower qa, yeah, qa. When I say qala, okay, and also I'll fold my mouth by the letter. I say qa, yeah, qa. I fold my mouth by qa. So I think this is the way to pronounce any heavy letter. We have 7 letters belong to heaviness. They are kha, sa, da, gha, ta, qa, and dha. 7 letters. We collected these letters in phrase khussa ضغط قض. Let's see some examples. When I say qala, yeah, when I say khana, when I say sara, when I say dhalla. So these letters that I have pronounced, I pronounced it with the heaviness. I said qala, ghaba, dhalla, sara, okay, and I say ghaba. So these letters I pronounce it with the heaviness because these letters belongs to khussa ضغط قض. How can we pronounce the light letters? All the Arabic letters belong to the light letters except khussa ضغط قض and alif, ra, and the lam of the word of Allah. How can we pronounce the light letters? Okay, the reciter should lower the back of the tongue when pronouncing the light letters. When I say sha'a, so my tongue or the back of my tongue be a lower. This is a difference between the heavy and light letters in pronunciation. With the heavy letters, the back of the tongue will be raised to the roof of my mouth. But with the light letters, the back of the tongue will be lower. When I say also dama, da, so this is empty mouth. So the difference also between the heavy and the light letters, when I pronounce the heavy letter, I'll fold my mouth. But with the light letter, I'll pronounce it with empty mouth. Alhamdulillah, in this video, we have covered what is the difference between the heavy and light letters, and we have practiced on some examples. I think that's all I can say, inshallah, in the next video. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Salam.